Hi, this is Mayor David Genshaw again. We're coming together to update you on what's going on in the Seaford community. So first we're going to ask Penny Short from the hospital to give us an update.
Thank you. As many of you probably have heard by now, Nanticoke has received its first and probably many COVID-19 patients. And rest assured, we've been preparing for this for weeks now, and our staff are ready to care for the patients that come needing our services. We started this morning as another attempt to protect the healthcare workers as well as the patients, that all our employees coming into the building are getting screened both with temperature and asked questions prior to entering the building. So that process has been new for us and will continue throughout this journey. Next steps, we're looking at providing a testing site here in Seaford. We've been working along with the city of Seaford to try to make that happen. We're hoping that by the beginning of the week, we'll be able to offer that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and do it for a 4-hour period in the afternoon, probably 1 to 4. And we're looking at Williams Pond Park as that location. You'll see more information coming out about that in the next day or so. So please be looking for that both on the Facebook page as well as the Nanticoke Memorial Hospital website. The most important piece of that is that testing site will be with a doctor or physician order or prescription, and it will be by appointment. So there'll be a hotline number to call, and then you'll be given a time to drive to the park to get your testing done. So look for more information on that. And then I just want to let everybody know that we continue to work very closely with our state and local government, because it's important that we're all working together to fight this. I encourage you to continue that message about staying home, because the more that we can slow the spread of this, the better our chance is of a positive outcome. I also want you to keep the healthcare workers and our first responders in your thoughts and prayers, because they are the true heroes in this fight. And also continue those positive messages of support, because I have to say we share them with the staff all the time, and that really does go a long way. So thank you very much.
Next, I'll ask Dr. Corey Miklas to give us an update on what's going on with the Seaford school districts.
Good evening. Based on Governor Carney's order last night, schools will be closed through May 15th. Our district calendar will be adjusted due to this, and the Department of Education is working to ensure that the end of the school year will be by the end of June. Also, a waiver was submitted by our own Department of Education to the United States Department of Education to waive state testing for this school year. Learning opportunities, they have been sent home to all students in our community. We encourage you to take part in those. We're working internally as a district to ensure that we keep making sure that our students are able to engage in these optional learning activities during our time off from school. Our meal stops, I want to remind everyone that our meal stops will continue during our school closure. And just to remind the community, from 10 a.m. to 10:30, we're at Concord Dove Estates. 10:45 to 11:15, we're at Mobile Gardens and also West Seaford Elementary School. From 11:30 to 12, we're at Blades Park and Clarence Street Church of God. From 12:05 to 12:35, we're at St. John's UMC and Seaford District Library. From 12:40 to 1:10, we're at Meadowbridge Apartments and Seaford Meadow Apartments. In order to stay in communication with our families, I encourage everyone to visit SeafordBlueJays.org. We will also continue to do all calls, and our schools will also be reaching out to our families to ensure we keep in constant communication during our closure.
Thank you both for your updates. Again, our fire chief, our police chief, our city manager here, we're all communicating daily to keep everybody up to date and on the same page. I do want to inform you that our city has reduced its staff by half, with some staying home and telecommuting and others here, but we are open. Our lobbies are closed, but all activities of city government are working, and we'll answer calls, and we're here for you. I also want to just ask our community to lift everyone up in prayer. You'll notice This week, we have lit the star on our water tower. The star gives us all a lot of hope at Christmas time, and I think at this time, we all need to be reminded who we're trusting in, what's important, and I hope the star will lift your spirits as well. So if you have any questions, I hope you know to please reach out to any of us. We're here to answer those questions. And again, please pray for the city of Seaford and all the people that are on the front line of this virus. Thank you.